Welcome to Yogagita Center in Srirangapatna. Amidst India's tropical nature and sunny weather throughout the whole year, the center offers spiritual practices and various retreats to reconnect to your true self. Starting the morning with the practice on the mat and continue to merge into nature while Karma Yoga in the garden, between a variety of mango, banana, guava, chiku, neem trees and hundreds of varieties of different plants. Enjoying an Ayurvedic juice and Sattvic food to nourish our bodies. Meditating at the Bodhi tree, on the rooftop by the full moon, or just alongside the beautiful Kaveri river brings silence and peace to the mind. Joining Sunday satsangs to be in presence with a real master, ViGo Gopala, who offers his guidance in many different ways. Supported by a spiritual commune, there are many occasions to celebrate. Located only 15 kilometers distance of Mysore City, in one of India's most green states, Karnataka, a trip to explore the town is always possible. Next to our daily programs, the center offers teacher training courses, silent retreats, and the sadhana program to immerse into the indescribable. For more information, check out our website and social media platforms. Looking forward to meet you soon. Evolve the self, better the world, love all. Yogagita.